Welcome, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Jyoti Kokate. Today we will be learning subject English from Standard 3 and the topic for the day is lesson number 38, The Magic Kettle. Children, now let's begin with the lesson. As I am reading the lesson, keep your finger on the line. A tanuki is a small, furry, dog-like animal found in Japan. There are many imaginary stories about this playful little animal. It is believed in the stories that a tanuki can take the shape of anything or any animal. Here is a story about a tanuki and a peddler called Jimu. Once in the country of Japan, there lived an old man. He lived in a beautiful house high up in the mountains. He was proud of his house with its white straw mats and pretty papered walls. In warm weather, he slid back the walls to let the smell of the trees and the flowers come in. Children, can you tell me what do you see in this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a tanuki. Now see children, tanuki is a small, furry and dog-like animal found in Japan. Children, you will find many imaginary stories about this tanuki. And see children, it is believed that in the stories, tanuki can take the shape of any animal or anything. Children, see, tanuki is found in Japan. There lived an old man in the country of Japan. Children, now here is a story about a tanuki and a peddler called Jimu. Children, there lived an old man in the country of Japan and he lived in a very beautiful house high up in the mountains. He was proud of his house with its white straw mats and pretty papered walls. See, in warm weather, he slid back the walls to let smell of the trees and flowers come in. Children, now let's see the next part of the lesson. One day, he was standing looking at the mountains opposite when he heard a kind of rumbling noise in the room behind him. He turned around and saw a rusty old iron kettle in a corner. How the kettle got there, the old man did not know, but he picked it up and looked it over carefully. That's a piece of luck, he said, smiling to himself. My old kettle was getting worn out and this looks like a good kettle. He filled the new kettle with water and put it on the fire. As soon as the water in the kettle began to get warm, a strange thing happened. The man thought he must be dreaming. The handle of the kettle slowly changed its shape and became a head. The spout grew into a tail. Out of the body of the kettle sprang 4 paws. In a few minutes, the man was watching not a kettle but a tanuki. Children, now look at this picture. In this picture, the old man is standing and he is looking at the beautiful mountains. But suddenly, what happened? He heard a rumbling noise in the room behind him. Children, what do you see in this picture? Yes, you can see a kettle in this picture. See, children, the old man turned around and he saw a rusty old kettle in a corner. But the old man was shocked how the kettle got there. But he picked it up very carefully and looked it over the kettle. Rusty means old, covered with rust. Rust means the reddish layer that forms on old iron articles. Children, as you can see in this picture, the old man picked it up that kettle very carefully and he said, "That's a piece of luck." And he was smiling to himself. And also he said, "This my kettle was getting worn out and this looks like a good kettle." After that, the old man filled the new kettle with water and he put the kettle on the fire. But the water in the kettle began to get warm and a strange thing happened. What was that strange thing? The handle of the kettle changed its shape and the handle became a head. The spout grew into a tail, and out of the body of the kettle sprang 4 paws. After that, the man only watched a tanuki, not a kettle. Now, children, let's see the next part of the lesson. The tanuki jumped off the fire and bounded about the room like a kitten. It ran up the pretty papered walls and even across the ceiling. The old man could not catch it. He called his neighbor for help. Somehow they caught the tanuki and shut it up in a wooden chest. Running after the tanuki had made them both very tired. They sat down on the mat to rest. "What shall I do with this naughty animal? I don't want to keep it in the house," said the old man. "Why don't you sell it off to Jimu, the peddler?" the neighbor suggested. "That's a good idea," said the old man. So they sent for Jimu. When he came, the old man went to the chest and lifted the lid very carefully. But there was no tanuki inside, only the old rusty kettle the old man had found. He did not now want to keep the kettle. He gave it away to Jimu without taking any money for it. The old man was watching only a tanuki. The tanuki jumped off the fire and bounded about the room like a kitten. Bounded about means jumped high here and there. The old man could not catch tanuki because it ran up the pretty papered walls and even across the ceiling. The old man called his neighbor to catch the tanuki. The old man and his neighbor caught the tanuki and shut it up in a wooden chest. Wooden chest means a large, strong box made of wood which is used for storing goods. But running after the tanuki had made the old man and the neighbor very tired and they sat down to rest. The old man asked to his neighbor, What shall I do with this naughty animal? I don't want to keep it in the house. Then the neighbor suggested, why don't you sell it off to Jimu, the peddler? Peddler means a person who sells things from door to door. Then the old man said, yes, that's a good idea. Then they sent for Jimu, and the old man went to the chest and lifted the lid very carefully. But what happened? There was no tanuki. Inside, only the old rusty kettle the old man had found. Then he did not now want to keep the kettle. He gave that kettle to Jimu without taking any money. Children, now let's see the next part of the lesson. Jimu put the kettle in his cloth bag and started off home. He felt that his bag was getting heavier and heavier on the way, but he did not put it down. On reaching home, Jimu put the bag away carefully in a corner. At night, when Jimu was fast asleep, he heard a sudden noise and woke up. He could not see anything, but he thought he heard some noises in the corner. When he lit the lamp, he saw that the kettle had turned into a tanuki once again. It was running round, chasing its own tail. It ran here and there and jumped and turned somersaults. Jimu sat watching the tanuki for a long time. Then he fell asleep. Children, you can see in this picture, Jimu kept the old kettle in his cloth bag and started off home. But in between, he felt that his bag was getting heavier and heavier, but he did not keep it down. Children, you can see in this picture, Jimu kept the cloth bag carefully in a corner after reaching home. Jimu was fast asleep at night and he heard a sudden noise and woke up. But when he woke up, he could not see anything. He just thought he heard some noises in the corner. Children, can you tell me, when do we use lamp? Yes, when we don't have electricity, we use lamp. See children, when Jimu lit the lamp, he saw that the kettle had turned into a tanuki once again. He was shocked. Children, as you can see in this picture, tanuki was running round chasing its own tail. It ran here and there and jumped and turned somersaults. Somersault means a movement in which somebody turns over completely with their feet over their head. And Jimu sat watching the tanuki for a long time. Then he fell asleep. Children, now let's see what happened in the morning. When he got up in the morning, he saw that the tanuki had not run away. The old kettle was still there lying in a corner. He picked it up lovingly. Do you wish to stay with me, tanuki? He asked. To his surprise, the tanuki answered in a human voice, I will stay with you and make you very rich. You can show me around. People will give you a lot of money to see a kettle turn into a tanuki and dance. So that's what they did. Jimu set up a booth with a platform. He put the kettle on the platform. At his command, the kettle turned into a tanuki. At Jimu's command, the little furry animal would then walk, run, jump, leap, turn somersaults, or dance. People loved to see the kettle change into a playful little animal that could do all this. They paid Jimu well to see the show. Big crowds of people came to watch the show, and the dear little Tanuki never disappointed them. Merrily, it danced many dances: the shadow dance, the fan dance, the umbrella dance. It never tired of dancing. Children, when Jimu got up in the morning, he found the old kettle lying in a corner. Jimu went near the kettle and he picked it up very carefully and he asked, "Do you wish to stay with me, Tanuki?" Then Jimu was surprised because Tanuki answered in a human voice that I will stay with you and I will make you very rich. You can show me around. People will give you lot of money to see the kettle turn into a Tanuki. After that, Jimu set up a booth with a platform. Booth means small tent or building in a market. Then he put the kettle on that platform, and at his command, the kettle turned into a Tanuki. So many people came to see a Tanuki. When Jimu gave commands, this little furry animal would do so many actions like walk, run, jump, leap, turn somersaults, and dance. Many people came to watch the show, but the little Tanuki never disappointed the people, and happily it danced many dances like the shadow dance, the fan dance, and the umbrella dance. But Tanuki never tired of dancing. Children, here is a last part of the lesson. Soon, Jimu had collected lots and lots of money. He had become a very rich man. He said to the Tanuki, "Dear Tanuki, you have made me very rich. We can both live in comfort now. We can stop the shows if you like." So, they decided to stop the shows. But Jimu did not forget the old man who had given him the magic kettle. He gave some of the money to the old man. All of them lived long and happy lives. Jimu and the old man are no more, but you may still come across the magic kettle lying in a corner somewhere in Japan. Jimu collected lots of money from the shows and he became a very rich man. Then both of them decided to stop the shows. Jimu did not forget the old man because the old man gave him the magic kettle, and because of magic kettle, Jimu became a rich man. Children, as you can see in this picture, Jimu gave some of the money to the old man, and all of them lived happy lives. Jimu and the old man are no more in this world, but you may come across the magic kettle lying in a corner somewhere in Japan. I hope, children, you all have understood this story. Meanings: 1. Peddler means a person Who sells things from door to door? 2. Slid means moved easily. 3. Rumbling means making a low continuous sound. 4. Rusty means covered with rust, the reddish brown layer that forms on old iron articles. 5. Bounded about, jumped about here and there. 6. Chest, a large strong box made of wood which is used for storing goods. 7. Somersault means a movement in which somebody turns over completely with their feet over their head. 8. Booth, small tent or building in a market. Children, now you will be writing exercise in your notebook. Question 1. Find the smaller words hidden in the following words. A. Carefully, and the answer is care, full, or car. B. Furry, and the answer is fur, fry, furry. C. Lovingly, and the answer is lying, loving, kneel. D. Playful, and the answer is play, lay, full, fall. E. Somewhere, and the answer is some, where, home. Question 2. Write the opposites of the following words. A. Beautiful, ugly. B. Slow, fast. C. Rich, poor. D. High, low. E. Found, lost. Children, now it's a homework time and you will be writing the homework in your notebook. Question 1. Write the answers to the following questions in one sentence each. A. What did the old man find in his house one day? Answer. One day the old man found a rusty old kettle in a corner of the room. B. What did Jimmu give the old man? And the answer is Jimmu gave some of his money to the old man. C. How much money did the old man ask for the old kettle? And the answer is the old man gave the kettle to Jimmu free of cost. Now, question 2. Write the answers to the following questions. A. Why was the old man proud of his house? And the answer is the old man was proud of his house because it was beautiful. It was high up in the mountains. It had white straw mats and pretty papered walls. B. What did Tanuki tell Jimmu? Answer. Tanuki told Jimmu that it would stay with him and make him very rich. He also said that Jimmu could show him around and people would give a lot of money to see a kettle turn into a Tanuki and dance. Thank you students for watching this video.